everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beach hair tutorial for you guys with heat, and I'm super excited to do a hair tutorial for you guys because I haven't done one yet, and this is just one of the go-to looks that I use for my photo shoots, for work, for school. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what my whole entire process is for this. If you guys want to go ahead and like and subscribe before you keep watching, I would really appreciate it. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So to start off these beach waves, I just took a shower and I washed my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Everpure sulfate-free color hair system shampoo and conditioner, and I just chose this one because I know that it's good to not have sulfate in your hair care. And then I go in with the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and I picked this up at Ulta. There's just 10 benefits, including repairing your dry, damaged hair, adding shine, it detangles, controls frizz, protects hair color, prevents split ends. It just does a ton of different things, and it smells really good, so I've been using that for a while. And then typically I will just let my hair air dry and then I do my hair the next day, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to blow dry my hair so we can get on into the video. Okay, now I'm back with dry hair, and I'm going to go in with the Tresemme Heat Protector, and I've been using this for so long. I love it. It smells good, and it doesn't make your hair sticky, and yeah, it's just really good. So I'll go ahead and put that on the ends of my hair. So the wand that I'm going to be using today is actually the NuMe wand, and I've had this for probably 6 years now and it still works perfectly. It's really nice because it has like this little lock so that you can change out the different wands. So I have 5 different ones, but I usually just stick to this little one right here. So you just plug this in, and there's only one heat setting, but it's not too much and it's not too little. I think it's just perfect, and it does hold the curl, it gives it shine, it's just perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so I just waited a couple minutes for this to get hot, and I think we're ready to go now. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first section of my hair, and this part I'm going to curl away from my face. But eventually we are going to be flipping the direction each time, because I found that that separates the curls and it doesn't become one big blob, and it kind of just gives you that more of like a beachy texture. So for the first one, framing your face, you do want to curl away from your face. So then I go ahead and leave out a couple inches of your hair just because I feel like it gives you more of a beachy vibe and not like a little doll vibe, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold that for a little bit until I think it feels right, and then I go ahead and hold it for like a second, and then I go ahead and take the Aquanet hairspray. This is extra super hold, unscented, and I go ahead and just give it like the smallest spray, and then I just let that go. And then I'm gonna take my second piece that's framing my face, and I'm also gonna curl that away from my face. So now this next piece, we're gonna curl towards our face. And I actually picked up a little bit bigger of a chunk this time, and we're gonna go forward this time. And it feels really weird when you first start doing it because you're so used to curling away from your face, but yeah. And then you're just going to keep doing that back and forth, just mix it up, some forward, some backwards, and you're just going to go the whole way through. And I don't section off my hair. I literally just start from front to back, and that works for my hair. It's not that thick, so I can get away with doing that, but it's totally up to you if you want to do it in layers or not. So now I'm starting on the other side and I'm doing the exact same process. Guys can notice this is not my usual background, and it's because I did move to Florida and I am currently in Sarasota. It's really nice. It's 80 degrees today and I'm really enjoying it. I really love my job so far, and I love the area. Everyone is so nice, and I'm actually getting ready to go to my first photo shoot down here. We're going up to Tampa today, and we're gonna do a shoot on the beach, which has been like one of my dreams for a long time. So I'm really excited to be doing that today. And it totally fits this video because I'm doing beach curls for a beach shoot. So I love the way these curls turned out, but they are not like the beachy vibe that I'm going for. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray in Tropical Banana. And it just looks like this. I know you can find this at the drugstore like Target or Walmart. That's where I got mine, and I think it's under $5 actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray some of this through my hair. And this is with dead sea salt, sea kelp, and aloe. So it's not going to dry out your hair, but it is going to give it a beachy textured effect. And then you can run your fingers through your hair a little bit, kind of just play with it. So since we did like flip the curls back and forth, that's what makes it more textured, and it gives it like a more separated feel, whereas if we just curled it all one way, it would all just be like one blob of wave. So I kind of just like that they're a little more separated. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more hairspray, but not too much. I don't want to weigh this down too much, but I do want it to hold because I like how it's looking right now. Alright, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys loved it, and I totally love doing this to my hair. It's pretty quick and easy, especially if you have that NuMe wand. It is such a lifesaver. Like, it just heats up so fast, it curls your hair really fast, and it stays. So I totally recommend that NuMe wand. That's like my lifesaver. And like I said, I think I got it in 6th grade, and I'm now in my 2nd year of college, and it's still working perfectly. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.